Hi, it's Sandra, and today I wanted to do a manicure using the Box of Night, one of the plates. And what I plan to do in future videos is actually to use each one of the plates from the Box of Night. But I'm not going to do a video on the one that was exclusive, that only came with the box. I'm going to do the ones that all of you can get a hold of in case you weren't able to get the Box of Night. So the one I'm going to work with today is 516. This is the plate, and I think it's cool, and I'm going to see what I can do with this. So I have my nails ready. I'm going to actually paint them all. I know it's going to be boring, but I'm going to paint them all with this polish, and it is called Terracotta Warriors, and this is from Polish Pickup. And this was in 2020. It's got kind of like flakies in it, and it's a gray. And I thought this would be a good color to use with these plates. So I'm going to paint these, put polish on all of these. And hopefully on camera you can see the flakies in there. It's cool polish. The other thing I want to do with this is I think I'm going to put a black ridge around them. You've seen that done, I'm sure. All right, so that's coat one. I'm going to do another coat, and then I'm going to come back with the black and put a little black shadow around them. I'll be right back. Okay, so here they are with some black around them, and I'm going to do this one and show you. So I just pulled off a piece of the makeup sponge, and I have some tweezers, and I have some black nail polish, and all I'm doing is going around the edges, and you can make the edges as dark or as light as you want. If you want to pat it on the paper towel first and just do like a shadow, that's cool too. I'm just doing it darker, just the black. And I'll tell you, doing it on an acrylic nail on a stand is definitely easier than doing it on your natural nail, as you can imagine. And I don't use acrylics, I use my natural nail. So that's why I don't do this technique too often, because it's kind of a pain on natural nails. But it is very cool. Okay, so there you go. Doesn't have to be perfect. So there's all the nails with the black around it. Okay, so what I did was I actually reverse painted this headstone right here, the statue, and I reverse painted the heart. Sorry, I forgot. I reverse painted this heart rosary. So I'm going to put those on one on each. But what I want to do is behind the statue, I want to put a moon. So I grabbed a moon from another plate, and this is Maniology 315, and I'm going to use this big moon here, and I'm going to put that on. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it in orange. Maybe I should do yellow. No, I'm going to do orange. So let me get a stamper here. I'm going to do an orange moon. Okay, so on this one, I did not wipe it well enough. So let's see, looking for my tape, if we can take some of it off. Okay, so I ended up just doing it again. And now I'm going to take one of my nails, and I'm going to put this on. I want to put this statue kind of behind the moon, in front of the moon. So let's see. Put that right there. And then I'm going to take the statue and put this in front of it. Okay. And then if I can find some little bats, let's see if we got any little tiny bats on this. There's some right there. I knew there had to be some on there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these little bats. I'm going to put them on behind the statue. One. I'll do one more. Can't have one lonely bat, gotta have another one. Okay. Okay, and put him right. And let's see, I'm going to put him here. Okay. All right, so there's my first one. I think that looks really cool. And then let's do the next one. So one of these, I actually want to do one of the scenes. How we have the backgrounds in this. I thought this would be cool with the trees and stuff. So I want to do this one in the middle with the cemetery scene here. And I want this tree to really be in the center. So I'm going to scrape it this way. Push this off. Okay. Okay, and that's cool. I'm glad that the bottom didn't show up because I have this bottom on mine. So I want this to go right up from the bottom that I created, the black bottom. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's see if we can move this around a little bit. Okay. All right, let's see how much this shows up. Okay, so there you go. That kind of looks creepy. All right, and then let's see if we've got, I think I'm going to use on this one, I want to use a cloud. And I'm just going to outline it in black and let the gray sky, or should I outline it in white? I think I'll outline it in white. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to put it on there. It's too much. If I would have thought about it, I would have put this on first and then the tree. So I'm not going to use that, but we can use something else. Let's see if we have any ghosts we can use. I got ghosts on this one. Let's do this one. It's kind of weird looking. We'll outline him in white. Okay. Okay, there's a little ghosty coming out of there. All right, so there's the second one. All right, and then what I want to do is put this rosary, the heart on here, on one of them. Just going to put this right in the center. And then on these two, what I want to do is use I want to do these coffins. So I'm going to do black as the back. Okay. And I don't want them straight. I want it kind of angled. And we'll use this one. And I think what I'll use for that one is silver. Okay. And then I want to do one more headstone, or one more casket. It's not a headstone, it's a casket. These look like they kind of get bigger as they go up, so I'm going to do this one next. Hopefully this one will fit. So you can't interchange these because it looks like this one is bigger than this one, and this one's the biggest. So let's do, yeah, let's do it this way. Let's see if it fits on here. Okay. Okay, it fits, but it fills up the whole nail. Okay, so let's see. This one I'm going to use white, just to be different. Okay. All right. Let's put this aside. Let's put some smudge-free top coat on them first. Let's see, where's my smudge-free? Right here. Now hopefully you can see on camera the sparkle that's within this polish. Let's zoom it in here a little bit. And there is definitely a sparkle. Shows up better with the gloss smudge-free top coat. Okay, so there's that. And I think these turned out really cute, really adorable. And let me do my final top coat so you can get the full feel of this. This is my favorite top coat, Glisten and Glow. I just ordered some more. Can't live without it. Gotta have Glisten and Glow. Okay, so there you go. I think these turned out really cute. The plate again that I used was from the Box of Night, which I think is available now on Maniology. It's M516, and I also used this older Maniology plate, which is M315. This plate, if you don't have this plate, is really cool. So if you're looking at Halloween plates, I think this is a cool one to get. All right, so there you go. So look for future videos with the rest of the Box of Night stamping plates, except for the exclusive one. And I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.